To get more nice videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect grid line. So to draw your grid line, first of all, you'd see I went into my grid maker app and then I selected a picture. You can get this app on your Play Store. So after you select your picture, it will take you to a page like this, like it will show an ad and you have to cancel the ad. So you just have to choose your grid line. You have to choose your preferred grid line. In this case, I chose 15 as the number of my column, and it automatically sets the number of your rows. So if you're okay with the grid, then you're good to go, and if you're not okay with it, you can equally reset it. So from here, I chose the diagonal line option. It is going to help me make my drawing more detailed. And then I go ahead to label my grid. Labeling your grid is going to help you get the precise box you want to draw on at that particular time. So you can adjust your label to any side you want. So now you need to tap on the save button, like on the 3 dots on the corner. That is where you will see it and you have to save it. To see always bring the ad, so you have to cancel it. Then you have to save your image. My image is successfully saved into my gallery now. So drawing grid line is actually simpler than you think. It makes your work faster. So you just have to select from the picture you've saved before. This is my recent picture. So from this picture that I have saved before, all you are going to just do is count the number of rows and count the number of your columns. So here I have 13. Here I have 13 rows. You would write it down. So I always write it down in my jotter. I have 13 rows, and the columns, I have 13 rows and 15 columns. So what I do from here is, what is the size of your paper? You have to cut out the size of your paper like I did. So what is the size of your paper? My paper is 12 by 10. My column is 12 by 10. And so we have 13 rows and 15 columns there. So 12 by 15, like 12 inches by 15 inches. 12 inches in centimeter is about 30.4 centimeter, and 10 inches in centimeter is about 25.4 centimeter. So since we already have this 30.4 inches, we are just going to divide it by the number of this column, which is 15 divided by 15. So this vertical side of your paper is going to be 15 columns, because that is where your 12 centimeter is. So you're going to divide it by 15. So 30.4 divided by 15 is 2.0. Let me just say 2.0. Yes. So 25.4 divided by these 13 rows of your horizontal row, that will be 25.4 divided by these 13 rows will be 1.95. So this 1.95, you can equally approximate it to 2.0. So you have to make 2 centimeter each on your paper, the very thin line. So I'm going to count this. I must have 15 columns here after the whole measurement. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There is still little space here though, but so there is little space here. It can be there, it does not really matter. It won't affect your drawing. So I'm going to make the same 2 centimeter each on this side too. This is supposed to be 13, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. As you can see,
this 13 side has just small space. It does not really matter too, it won't affect your drawing as long as the whole thing is up to 13 and this whole thing is up to 15 and the whole side is up to 15. You are good to go. So you are going to do this for this side and this side. But one thing for you to note is that if you are drawing this, if you start your grid line from up here, you must also start your grid line from up here, because this little space that is remaining here, if you should put it here, like if you should start from here instead and you put it here, it would affect your drawing. So you must start from the same side with the beginning, so you should end up here. Same thing goes for this side. Since I started here, I must start here on top so that this small part will end up here too. What I just do now is I already measured the whole thing on this side and this side. So what we just do now is collect these lines together with tiny, very light pencil stroke. Make sure it is straight and connect this line together like that. Then this one. So this is where I make that diagonal. I already finished the whole grid line. Then this is how I make that diagonal. So if you just draw it from line to line like this, from this corner to the other corner. Draw it for the whole thing. So let's move on to our picture. So the labeling starts with a, let me zoom this in. The labeling starts with A0. So what I normally do is just write out the, as you can see, this is the alphabet A, B, C, D. So I write out the alphabet in this side. I write my number. This is 0. As you can see, this is 0. Let me zoom it back out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I also write the number at the middle and at the end. So this is also. So I normally start with the top of the head. So this is E6. Can you see the line? Just keep copying it. And there it is, you have your perfect grid line.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this, because I'll be teaching you everything you need to know as a beginner artist. Thanks for watching. Bye.